Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to select the cheapest month on Skyscanner. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Skyscanner app, or just go ahead and go to skyscanner.com. Okay. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and find a flight. For example, we are coming from maybe General Santos City right here to maybe France. Okay. Like this one. Then we're going to go ahead and select a date. And here, to find the cheapest or to select the cheapest month, all you have to do is just click on flexible dates. Okay. Click on it. Now, as you can see, we don't have any cheap month in here. The flight to General Santos City to France. Now you can go ahead and try one way like so. And again, go to flexible dates. And as you can see here, we don't have the cheapest month. Okay. Now, for example, we're going to UK right here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and find UK, United Kingdom, like so. Depart. And here, as you can see, if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to find the cheapest month. All right. Depending on the place where you're going. Okay. Even one way, return right here, you have the cheapest month. When you click on it and hit on apply, hit on search, here you have the results. Okay. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.